Hi guys, we're going to show you how to remove a clutch, skidoo clutch, or any clutches that you only have the bolt and that needs a puller. Usually you can remove it with water and the original bolt. So you just need the bolt, and you need teflon tape, and you roll it on the threads very tight. You have to roll it on the same rotation you have to screw the bolt, so you turn it clockwise very tight, and you put enough just to fit in the hole. So you have to put about say about 10 layers. You put as much as you can so it would go in the hole. So once you've done that, you test fit, and you continue to put the tape on. We're almost there. Alright, so it goes in snug and tight. Now you just need to put one ski in the air, about 16 inches in the air actually, just to put water in it so it won't come out. You don't need to put it 90 degrees. You only need about 20 to 30 degrees. And you fill your hole with water. Okay, you don't need to use oil or nothing. Water, it doesn't compress, so it's the same thing, and it's gonna be clean. It's gonna be easy to clean. Now you screw your bolt and the threads to that's meant for the puller. You put it by hand so you're sure that the threads are threading okay, so you don't damage the threads. And I use impact to just continue, and it's gonna pop off. So thank you for watching, and if you like my English traductions, I will continue to translate my older videos, so just subscribe to my channel. Thank you.